Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to deposit money into Bask Bank. Bask Bank is a relatively new bank, but it's quickly gaining popularity. One of the reasons for this is that Bask Bank offers a number of unique features that other banks don't. One of these features is that Bask Bank offers a high-yield savings account. This means that your money will grow faster than it would at a traditional bank. Another feature that Bask Bank offers is that it's free to join. This means that you won't have to pay any fees to open an account or to transfer money into or out of your account. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps of depositing money into Bask Bank. I'll also discuss some of the benefits of using Bask Bank. How to deposit money into Bask Bank. Go to the Bask Bank website and click on the Open an Account button. Fill out the required information, including your name, address, and social security number. Choose the type of account you want to open. Fund your account by making a deposit. Benefits of using Bask Bank. High-yield savings account. Free to join. No monthly fees. No minimum balance requirements. Easy to use online banking. Excellent customer service. I hope this video has helped you learn how to deposit money into Bask Bank. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.